Hi guys, so we're back again. Here's my blacked out semi. This is what I was talking about. So we have a Ford pickup in there and a GMC square body instead of a Chevy. And my truck is right there. And we're gonna be delivering these to houses. Duh, I'm joking. I can't drive interior. Okay, seems like I need Drake's on. Say hi to the Popo. Jeez. Well, bye-bye stop sign. I already knew that. This person has good taste because they bought a GMC. I can barely see their driveway. Oh. Hopefully my stretched, beautiful Peterbilt doesn't get sent to the shop today. And yes, this video is filmed the same day as fixing that other square body. Just gonna have to block the road. I'm sorry for whoever wants to come down here. Well, too bad. Well, nobody will because it's a dead end over there. So I don't really care. It took a while to load this thing because I had to get the ramps just right. Ho, ho, ho. It's a gray color though, so it's not too special. To me, at least. If it was like an apple red, I'd love it. If I remember my other Chevy that I restored, that apple red was beautiful. I don't know where he wants me to park it. I'll just park it up in his driveway. I'll pause it and resume. It probably berry touched. Oh, engine is turned off? Oh, really? I don't hear it off. There we go. Oh, now I have to walk all the way down here. Well, I'm definitely going to pause it now. Okay, we got the Ford left. I gotta look at my GPS again and see what house I'm delivering it to. I think I remember. I'm not fully sure because there's a bunch of... I think there's like 3 houses I know that look like it. So as soon as I get out of this ditch, I'll look at it. Alright, turn on my hazards again. Okay. I know where it is. I absolutely love this Peterbilt so much. It's a new one to my company. I do miss my old Pete though. Turn on the Jakes. It rumbles the ground from first person. not the best fan of where I am at for this house to drop it off, but we'll figure it out. Oh boy. We're gonna be going past my house. Oh, there's my friend's house beside me. There's the shop. There's square bodies in there. Yo, look at that moon. That's a big moon. There's my house. Will I be able to stop in time? I couldn't stop in time. For my true fans that know that video that got posted like 2 years ago or last year. It was when I was playing Driving Empire and I crashed into the flippin' dealership and I said I couldn't stop in time. Oh, flip. Oh, flip. I thought I was gonna be able to turn up there, but I can't. I gotta figure this out, like, badly. I need master focus, and I need light. Been getting a lot darker in this game. Lock in. Ditch, ditch, ditch. Oh, I think that's more than a ditch. I think that's a... Oh gosh, come on. Oh, I spoke too soon. Okay, I figured it out. Oh, looks like the sun's gonna be rising. Whew. I forgot I was recording for a split second, but gotta line up the wheel. I have to see on the actual computer. Oh, that's good. That's good. Alright, now I just gotta back out. Come on. Oh, I don't want the back seat. Oh. Does this have the steering? No. Okay, we're gonna head back to the trailer store and I'm gonna let you guys go. This is gonna take a minute. As you can see, this is all blacked out. I can't fix that shiny part for some reason. But if you look at it straight up, I like it. I don't need my lights on anymore. I didn't touch the gas. Hello, shop. You can still see my trailer there. I'm using my air brakes along with my shakes. Gosh. No Jake's in the parking lot. No engine brake zone. If APM is watching this, which they probably aren't because I'm not that popular at all, but if you see this, put engine brakes on cars, because what if you don't want to drive a semi to have Jakes? Go into the medical place. I forgot. I thought I was at the tool store for a second. Alright, let's disconnect this. I usually park it right there. I park the older ones right there, but I park Pete right here. And just for this special occasion, I don't know if you guys remember Little Red, but that was like the first APM video I've ever made, is when I didn't have a private server, and I think it's titled I'm Playing APM. I don't know, man. But I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna show you. Pretty much walked over here, but I'm pretty sure you can see it through there. Well, there she is. And it's been in here for a while because it's been getting worked on, and I never said it was ready. And I know it is because I came here the other day and I told them to tune it up a little bit so it can roll a little bit of coal, and then they said okay. I took it for a drive and it rolled coal, so I know they're done. Alright, let's take it for a drive. It doesn't roll too much coal, but at least it doesn't seem like a gasser anymore. I miss driving Little Red. Kind of like a truck, but slower than all the other semis. It only goes to 6th gear. Call it Little Red because it's little. It's the tiniest semi in the game, and it's red. This is the first semi I've ever driven in a game. I believe Little Red is a Kenworth. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Let me know in the comment sections for truck people. Ooh, let's go down here. What's down here? Oh, boring. Here, I'm gonna turn around. gosh. I just... Let's go down here. I don't think I've ever been down here. Whoa. Did that just move? Whoa! Oh, I've been here before. When I was just playing by myself. Off-road course is over there. I've been to this beach before. Well, I'm just gonna keep it here. I'll bring it home someday. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.